Buenos dias. Great to see you this Thursday morning, May the 10th. Wow, the time is going by quickly. However, school is not over yet. We still have lots and lots that needs to be taken care of. We need to stay focused. We need to stay structured. We need to make sure that we are still following all of our care characteristics. So teachers, please help with that. Boys and girls, we are not through with school yet. We've got lots more that needs to be taken care of. Stay focused. I know that our second graders are going to be STAR testing today. Boys and girls, we are really believing in you and knowing that you can do this, but you have to concentrate, you have to focus, you have to show us your very best work, because the information that we're going to get from this last STAR test that you take, we're going to be carrying that over to next year. We're going to be using that information to make some decisions about your instructional program for next year. So you want to make sure that you're doing the very best you can and give it all you've got. Thinking about that STAR testing for second graders, we have a cart, a Chromebook cart in the 5th grade pod. We need all of the Chromebooks to be put back in that cart right away this morning. Mr. Cortisol, after the news, is going to swing by there and pick up that cart so he can take it to second grade. So there's quite a few Chromebooks missing. Please make sure those get to that cart, and that way he will be able to use them in second for today. All right, thank you for helping us with that. All right, let's see. Also, there is a PBIS meeting this afternoon in Ms. Eisert's room at 2:30. Also, there is a math representative meeting in room 146 at Spencer Bibbs. It starts at 3:45. So just wanted to remind you of that. Also, we've got lots going on tomorrow, and we'll have lots of visitors in our building. So please take a look at the GAB so you can see everything that's going on for tomorrow. Lots going on. Also, wanted to remind our kindergarten, first and second grade teachers, I'll be meeting with you in the large conference room. Please make sure that you bring your pink, blue, and white cards with you. I would appreciate that very much. We'll get right to it as soon as we can and get you out, if possible, before the end of your planning period. Also, wanted to make mention to you about your Kagan books and your Kagan resources that were purchased for you this year. Let's think about the books, the 2 books that you've received or 3 books that you've received. You want to make sure that you bring those to the media center, because Ms. Sexton is going to be checking those in for you. So please bring those to the media center. Also, you want to make sure that you bring your checklist of all the resources, and that you want her to be able to check off that you have gathered those resources and they are in a prominent place and that they're labeled. Just maybe want to put a piece of paper on them and tape it to it that says Kagan Resources, because you have a copy of the resources that were purchased for you. If you need a copy of that, please see Ms. Parker Wilson in the front office, and she'll be happy to make a copy of the one that we have for you. But all of those resources are assigned out to your room. We need to make sure that all of those Kagan resources stay in that classroom, and that they are obviously marked so that we can see those when we walk into the room, okay? If you still have questions about your Kagan resources, please feel free to ask. We'll be more than happy to help, okay? Check with Ms. Sexton. She'll be able to give you the latest and the greatest. All right, let's see what else. That's it for today. We just want to be mindful that our 4th graders are testing again today. Again, thank you to our 1st grade teachers for helping us with the tardy students. We certainly do appreciate you. And teachers, just wanted to remind you as well, we do appreciate you. This is Teacher Appreciation Week, just one week in which we get to shower the love. Boys and girls, you want to be mindful of that as well. This is Teacher Appreciation Week. Show your teacher how much you appreciate her or any of the adults that come into your classroom. Teachers, I hope you were able to stop there at the basket this morning when you arrived and signed in. If not, make your way downstairs during your planning time so you can pick up your cookies, because you have helped us to make all of our boys and girls really smart cookies, and we appreciate you. Also, just a reminder that tomorrow lunch will be provided for you, so you don't need to bring your lunch. We'll be happy to share baked potatoes with you at our potato bar tomorrow. Have a wonderful, wonderful Thursday, and remember, visualize you can and you will. Adios, amigos.